Hey everyone, it's Tisha with Scrappy Tees Creations, and I wanted to thank you very much for coming by and taking time out of your day to see what haul I have today. It is Simon Says Stamp, and wanted to show you the card and all the different companies they deal with and have on their website. And they gave me a $5 coupon for my next order, and I ordered the Distress Inks, the new ones from Tim Holtz, Speckled Egg, both the Distress Ink and the Oxide, and was very excited to get this in the mail, so I wanted to play. So I ordered Pink and Main from Brutus Monroe. It's such a cute blending brush. So I'm looking for some paper right now just to see how the beautiful Speckled looks. So this is the first time I'm going to be using the brush and the ink, of course. So yeah, not a lot of ink is getting on the brush. You really have to push it on that brush. You can kind of see it there. I'm just rubbing, trying to get as much as I can on the brush. And there, you got a little bit more to see. But I think I'm going to buy a re-inker because I like the ink to be kind of a little bit juicy. So now I'm going to clean that off with a baby wipe I got from Costco. Bought a whole pack of them. I find it's the cheapest place to buy them in bulk. And it cleans off really nice. I'm very surprised. And now I'm going to try the Oxide. I'll probably save this. That's why I'm marking it. So then I can take a swatch of that and put it in my catalog for my other, with my other inks and oxides. And that just glides on because of it. It's a pigment ink. Isn't it gorgeous? And it's so different than the other color. In person, it looks way different. Deeper, richer. And here I'm trying to drag it and see if it's going to look nice. So I'm going to clean that, try to get off all the ink that I can, and clean it with a baby wipe again. I love all the stuff I got from Simon Says Stamp. And I believe these were on sale. So we're going to move on to the other things I purchased, which were the tins. I bought two of them, one for the Distress Inks and one for the Oxides. So I'm going to open these up and show you how they are. They're metal, and they hold the 3x3 ink pads nicely. So I'm gathering all my ink pads, and I'll eventually put that little foamy on the back of them. I like to do that on the tops of the back of the ink pads. That way I have a color for each, or pad for each color. And I suggest you do, if you're going to do that, put them on the top because it will make it easier for you to slide that into those pockets that they have there. Or the tray, the plastic tray that it comes with. So, and I got those labels from Tim Holtz, or I'm sorry, from rangerink.com, I believe. I'll have to rearrange some of those because I put some on the bottom, not realizing that I would need them on the top for these. And I just slide off that belly band kind of thing. And I'm going to just place my oxides in there. I found out that I have more oxides than I do inks. I have bought the smaller mini distress inks, but I need more. I was going to buy the bigger ones because these, I don't know, for some reason I feel like the smaller inks lose their ink, or it dries up quickly. So, and I love the way that you could see through this top and they kind of lock together. So the next thing is the beautiful butterfly card kit for June. It is gorgeous, and you get a little lollipop. And here they tell you exactly what you're going to be getting in the package, and they give you explanations of what, or I'm sorry, I'm looking for it right now. It shows you different examples of what you could do with this paper. And then they give you beautiful cardstock, cotton candy, slate, ivory, and lemon chiffon. These are 100-pound cardstocks too. I believe they're 6x8, along with the Tim Holtz typography findings. They're plastic, and you can ink them up and use paint on them as well. There's Gina K's glitter glitz. You get a little tin of that. And here are the 6x8 Simply Vintage Garden papers from Simple Stories. You get 12 of those double-sided sheets. And they are just so gorgeous. They also have cutaways too, as you'll see. And all butterfly themed, pretty much. Floral and butterflies. So pretty. And then here you have the, what is it? The Tim Holtz Ideology clipping stickers, which are beautiful for weddings and summer cards. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And that is the 6x6 stencil, beautiful butterfly trails. So I'm going to take the ink, the distress ink, and show you what it looks like with ink. And I'm going to take some of the purple tape, but the pattern purple tape. Love that stuff. And this is the first time I'm using this blending brush with a stencil. I probably would have taped it off more on the top and probably at the bottom where you can go off the page, but I think I did a pretty good job. You get the gist of it, and look at the different variations and of the amount of ink, the blending, some more deeper than others. It's gorgeous. Baby wipes are my friend. And then the last thing you'll see will be the beautiful stamp set. And that stamp set has a little note, just Just like spring, this is your new beginning. I'm so proud of you. You make things better forever. Can't wait to see how far you fly. Long distance hug. You are enough. Even as the rain pours, I'm here for you. You're on my mind. Beautiful friend. Each day is a new start. And beautiful, beautiful butterflies on there. Oh, and thinking of you is on there as well. So thank you so much for watching and looking at all this gorgeous stuff from Simon Says Stamp. They really outdone themselves with this particular pack. And thank you.